Greetings and various assorted salutations. This is an introductory video to a new series I'm putting on my YouTube channel, Hicks Educator Online. In light of our closure, as per orders from the governor and with direction from the school district, we are temporarily converting into a sort of remote learning institution at our fine Central High School. As such, a lot of us are going through quite a rapid transition, and there's very little time to do it. And so the intent of this video series is to put together some tutorials that will uniquely help the teachers in the school where I work overcome some of the challenges and issues that they might run into in trying to get everything up and running. It's a high-stress time, but I hope these tutorials will help. Some of these tutorials will cover things like putting together a Google Classroom using using the Skyward resources to get student information. Other resources will include how to use different things like web cameras that are built onto your school computer, a bit of basic tutorials on things like screencast and what it can and can't do, and other resources. So this channel, I would advise if you have a YouTube account. I say that because I'm not sure all teachers realize this, but we do all of YouTube accounts through our @K12 email address. Through if you would like, you could click like and subscribe. There'll be other videos coming up because this is my central YouTube account for my school stuff, these kind of tutorials, education theory, and whatnot. So you may not watch every video in my channel, but there's going to be things that might come in handy in the coming days. And potentially, if this takes off, we could see more technology being used in the classrooms and out of the classrooms if this event continues. In any case, stay tuned for more materials on how to do various assorted things so that your students can learn in whatever corner of the world they're in. Well, assuming they have an internet connection. But anyways, until later.